Good morning, student. Today we'll read chapter 8 of Clear Light. I love my Tiranga. India is beautiful. Now, student, what is Tiranga? Tiranga is our national flag. It is national flag of India and we call it Tiranga because it is having three colors. So, we'll come to know more about Tiranga in this chapter. It is 15th August. It is our Independence Day. So, student, we all celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Why do we celebrate Independence Day? Because on 15th August 1947, India got free from British rule. And to pay tribute to freedom fighters of India who sacrificed their life to make India free from British rule, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. तो हम उन वीर शहीदों को श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए इंडिपेंडेंस डे हर साल मनाते हैं जिन्होंने भारत को आज़ादी दिलाने के लिए अपनी जीवन का बलिदान किया। तो बहुत से लोगों ने अपनी जान दी और अपने इंडिया को ब्रिटिश रूल से फ्री कराया था। तो उन लोगों को हम थैंक यू बोलने के लिए इंडिपेंडेंस डे हर साल मनाते हैं 15 अगस्त के दिन। It is. So Priya is watching the Prime Minister of India on TV hosting the Indian flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi. So we can see a girl named Priya. She is watching TV. On TV she is watching Prime Minister of a country hosting Indian flag at the Red Fort. So you can see Red Fort. What we call Red Fort in Hindi? लाल किला। तो हर साल इंडिपेंडेंस डे के दिन हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर लाल किले से इंडिया का झंडा फहराते हैं। सो एवरी ईयर आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर होस्ट नेशनल फ्लैग एट द रेड फोर्ट न्यू दिल्ली। सो वी ऑल कैन सी ऑन द टीवी। शी लाइक्स इंडियन फ्लैग अ लॉट. It has beautiful color. So Priya loves her national flag because of its beautiful color. She asked her mother to tell her something about the Indian flag. So Priya wants more information about national flag. She asked her mother. Her mother said, every country has a flag. So student, we can see there are so many countries in this world and every country in this world have their own national flag. Our flag is called the Tiranga. So our national flag is known as Tiranga. It is called Tiranga. It is called the Tiranga because it has three colors: saffron, white and green. So what are three colors of Tiranga? Saffron on the top, white in the middle and green in the bottom. Each color stands for some important value. So all the three colors have some important value. Priya asked her mother, tell me what they are, mother. So Priya wants more information about these three colors. So she asked her mother about the three colors. Her mother showed her the flag and said, saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. So we can see saffron at the top and it stands for courage माने बहादुरी या वीरता और sacrifice माने त्याग। तो बहुत सारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ने बहादुरी वीरता दिखाई थी और त्याग किया था जीवन का, इसलिए सैफरन टॉप पे है। White stand for peace and truth. So white which we see it stand for peace. Peace means शांति और truth means सच्चाई. And green stands for faith and prosperity. Faith means विश्वास और prosperity तरक्की का प्रतीक है by that green color. So all the three colors are very important in the national flag. Priya then asks, what is the wheel at the center? So you can see a wheel and she wants to know about this wheel. Her mother explained, it is the Ashok Chakra. So this wheel is known as Ashok Chakra. It is placed at the center of the white band. So we can see Ashok Chakra is at the center of the white band. It is the wheel of law. इसे हम wheel of law बोलते हैं और धर्म चक्र. So we can call wheel of law in English and we can call dharma chakra in Hindi. It has 24 spokes. We can see there are 24 spokes. माने 24 lines होती हैं इस wheel में. So that means all Indian will get law, that the justice for 24 hours. तो इंडिया में हर इंसान को 24 घंटे न्याय मिलेगा, ये शो करता है. Priya was happy to learn about the flag. So now Priya is very happy to know about the flag. She asked her mother to tell her more. So she want more information about Tiranga. Her mother told that Tiranga became our national flag when we gained independence from British on 15th of August 1947. So in 1947, Tiranga became our national flag. Tiranga represents the new independent India. So show that our India is free now, where so many different kind of people live together happily. So this national flag shows that there are so many peoples in this country, they are living happily all together. We are all Indians. So all the people in this country are Indians, and we are living together, and we are loving and respecting each other. Priya said, I love India and respect my Tiranga. So student Priya said that she loves her national flag and she has respect for the national flag. Student, we all should have respect and love for our national flag because it represents our country. हम सबको respect और love होना चाहिए हमारे तिरंगा के लिए, क्योंकि वो हमारे इंडिया को represent करता है. Mother said, we should all be good Indians. So mother said we should be good citizens. When Priya went to school the next day, she saluted the flag as she has seen on the television. तो जब वो स्कूल गई नेक्स्ट डे तो शी सैल्यूटेड. वी कैन सी प्रिया सैल्यूटिंग द नेशनल फ्लैग. तो उसी दिन स्कूल जाके उसने नेशनल फ्लैग को सैल्यूट किया, मीन सलामी दी. So we should all respect and love our national flag, and we should also love our country. So this is all for today. You read the chapter and send the recording.